This course is a career changer. It will help you develop as a quantity surveyor and help you build through your career. The quantity surveying and commercial management course, we teach construction technology. So we're looking at the different types of construction, sustainability, different technologies such as BIM. How do we integrate those technologies into what we do? We're looking at quantification and costing. So some of the skills you're going to have to develop are measurement skills, contract management, cost management, current evaluations, etc. One of the strengths of our course and our department is our connection with industry. We have a really close connection with employers. We also have a close connection with our alumni, and we invite them in. It really helps keep our content current. It also makes what we teach relatable for the students and what they're actually going to do in the workplace. Something we're really proud of, the amount of employability that our students have following the completion of the degree. We've got some students that have gone on to work for Faithful and Gould, Welsh Water, construction, housing associations. And what we also find is a lot of students that join full-time often finish the course part-time because they find jobs in that field throughout the degree.